Hello everyone and welcome. So in this presentation we have got a gallbladder pathology. So you see here, this is the gallbladder. So look at the gallbladder walls there. There's a mass. You can see the mass there and the mass there on the gallbladder. So there's a mass. Gallbladder walls are also thickened here. Here you see this what we're having there. So you can see here in transverse section. That's the gallbladder mass. That's the gallbladder mass there. So on color Doppler, you can see that the mass is not taking color. The mass is not taking color on Doppler, as you can see here. So you see, if you've got a mass on the gallbladder there that develops in the walls, that mass will always be suspicious. But you can see in my case there that this mass, it has no color flow on Doppler. It has no color flow on Doppler, though the walls are very thickened, as you can see here. So this is a very, very difficult diagnosis to make, because there can be two things which can be involved in this case. See the mass there, see the mass there. If you look here, this side, it looks more, it's like more like a detached, this side is more detached like that. So this is one of the most complicated the diagnosis to make, because there are two differentials which can be confusing. So the first, in such case, it could be obviously, the first thing to think of is gallbladder cancer. So the first thing to think of is gallbladder cancer, because it's a mass on the wall of the gallbladder like that, as you can see. As you can see, and you can see also the walls here thickened. So the other thing that you can think of, if you see a gallbladder wall mass like that, it will obviously to think of what is called tumefactive sludge. So tumefactive sludge or tumor mimic sludge can also mimic a gallbladder mass. So because there's no color flow, it's very difficult to see that it's cancerous. It's also very difficult to say that it's not cancer, because you can see how it is originating from the wall of the gallbladder, as you can see there. So what's your take? Can you help me with this one? What do you think this could be? Is it gallbladder cancer, or is it tumefactive sludge? If you look at the posterior aspect there of the gallbladder, you can see there's enhancement. There is enhancement. The mass is not taking color on Doppler. So what is that? So what can this possibly be? Is it a cancer, or the tumefactive sludge? If it's not, what should we do? So what I did, I have requested for a CT of this patient, so that maybe we can find something that can narrow down the diagnosis. So this is one of the examples of a situation where you cannot rush on ultrasound to say that what I'm seeing is a cancer, because it's either it's a cancer or it's just tumor mimicking sludge, tumefactive sludge. But you cannot rule out cancer, because you can see here there's a mass that is developing there. It has got a little bit of shadows, that mass that is developing there, but also thick, dense sludge can also cause the same shadowing. So it's a catch 50 where we have done ultrasound. Yes, we have found something, but we are not yet there, because solely on the description of ultrasound, we cannot make a conclusion that will lead to the management of the patient. But we would lead that there is a mass in the gallbladder there. Those leads can now guide us for further tests that can bring us to the final diagnosis. But this could be classical gallbladder cancer. It could be gallbladder cancer. That's what I think. But the detachment here is the one that can also make me think that this is sludge that is appearing like a tumor, as you can see there. So I need your comments, how you take it, how you feel, how you see it. What could this be? Is it a benign or is cancer? Because if you see here, was large can also have some micro calcifications that can cause the shadow that you are seeing there. Because directly below this, that's where we've got a shadow. So this area there is casting a shadow. So help me guys to narrow down the diagnosis. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe, press the notification button, and also share this educational content with your colleagues. Thank you so much. Let's meet again in the next presentation. Bye.